For most people, owning a home is one of the most significant accomplishments they will ever realize, and it is also an expensive endeavor. Giving such a dream life requires a lot of work on the buyer's part, and the only way to fit the home into their budget is by taking out a home loan. A home or housing loan is a sum of money a person borrows typically from banks and the other lending institutions. Depending on the loan's terms, the borrower must repay the loan balance plus interest ranging from 10 to 30 years in easy monthly installments or EMIs. Welcome to Freedom App Money channel. This is your host and financial buddy Abhinav Sehgal, and I will be telling you about home loans and the factors determining the home loan interest and the top 5 banks that provide the best home loans interest. So let's straight away get to the point and start with the video. As home loans are usually high ticket size loans, banks and HFCs do a careful and detailed assessment of the borrower's credit history. Assessment of the borrower's credit history, repayment capacity, income, along with stringent checks on the property to be purchased. For borrowers seeking a home loan, they must be aware of the factors lenders look at while processing a home loan application and have a deep awareness of their own eligibility. It needs to be noted that low interest rates also usually come with stricter eligibility conditions. Here are the factors that lenders consider to determine your home loan eligibility and the interest rate to be offered. Credit score. Your credit score is a numerical representation of your credit history. Those who have paid their EMIs and credit card bills in full timely and have not been over-dependent on credit in the past are likely to have a good credit score. If your credit score from CIBIL and other bureaus is 750 and above, lenders would see you favorably for a home loan. Also, banks and HFCs are increasingly using the credit score of the home loan applicants to fix their home loan interest rate. As a high credit score reflects responsible credit behavior and financial discipline, many banks and HFCs offer home loans to applicants with higher credit scores at a lower interest rate. Those having no or low credit scores can improve their credit scores by availing lifetime free step-up credit card, a secured credit card co-branded with SBM Bank India Limited. Income and employment. When evaluating your home loan eligibility, lenders also factor in your income, type of employment, and the profile of your employer. Home loan applicants employed with government or PSUs or those working with large or reputed private sector organizations are usually preferred by lenders due to their high job income certainty. Hence, lenders offer lower home interest rates to such applicants. On the other hand, home loan applicants with irregular or insufficient income might find hard to get home loan at a lower interest rate. Loan amount. The loan amount you seek to borrow can also influence the rate at which you can get the housing loan. Home loans up to Rs 30 lakh usually have a lower interest rate as compared to home loans of higher amounts. To get a lower rate of interest on your home loan, one should try and make the maximum down payment possible. This will not just reduce the overall loan burden but may also help you get a lower rate of interest on their loan. Type of home loan. Home loan rate of interest also differs as per the types of home loan. Regular home loans have standard rates while their counterparts such as plot loan or NRI home loan usually have the higher rate of interest. Interest rate concession for women. Some lenders provide home loan interest rate concession usually of 0.05% to women borrowers. Hence, it is advised that married couples should consider taking a joint home loan and make the wife the primary applicant if they can get a lower rate of interest. Availing joint home loan will also increase your home loan eligibility as well as your home loan tax benefits. Type of interest rate. The type of interest rate you choose for your home loan will determine the rate at which you will repay your lender. In the case of fixed rate home loans, EMIs remain the same for the entire loan period. Floating rates, on the other hand, change as per the changes in the lending rate, such as repo-linked lending rate. Lenders usually charge higher interest rate on home loans offered on fixed interest rates due to higher interest rate risk involved with fixed rate home loans. Now let's start with my list of the top 5 best banks for home loans in India. On number 1, we have SBI Home Loan. SBI Home Loan is considered the best bank for home loan in India. Home loans from the State Bank of India have some of the most attractive and best home loan interest rates in India, starting at 8.55% per annum. A loan tenure extension option of up to 30 years guarantees a comfortable repayment period. The processing fee for these loans is 0.35% of the loan amount, minimum rupees 2,000, maximum rupees 10,000 plus applicable taxes. On SBI home loans, female borrowers are also eligible for an interest reduction of 0.05%. They are one of the nation's most popular housing loan products because there are no additional fees and prepayment penalties are entirely waived off. On number 2, we have the HDFC Home Loan. To those who qualify, HDFC Home Loan offers affordable home loans with interest rates starting at 8.60% per year. This is another best home loan provider in India. For loans with terms of up to 30 years, the EMI begins at Rs 762 per lakh. For employed individuals, the processing fee for these housing loans will not exceed Rs 3,000 plus applicable taxes. Number 3, Axis Bank Home Loan. Axis Bank Home Loan is one of the best banks for home loan, with interest rates beginning at 6.90 per annum on floating rate home loans and 12% per annum on fixed rate loans. Axis Bank provides eligible customers with housing loan options. For floating rate loans, the tenure may be increased to 30 years, while for fixed rate loans, it may be increased to 20 years. In addition, up to 1% of the loan amount, minimum of Rs 10,000 may be charged as the processing fee, of which Rs 2,500 plus GST must be paid in advance at the time of loan application login. Number 4, ICICI Home Loan. Housing loans are available from competitive interest rates starting at 8.60% per annum with loan terms of 30 years and simple repayment options. In addition, they lack processing fee on floating rate loans, which range from 0 to 0.50% of the loan amount plus applicable taxes. Additionally, ICICI collaborates with the PMAY scheme, giving home buyers an advantage when purchasing. It is considered one of the best banks for housing loan. Number 5, Bank of Baroda Home Loan. Home loans from the Bank of Baroda have some of the best home loan rates in India, starting at 7.95% per annum and going up to 30 years with simple repayment options. In addition, the bank offers loans up to Rs 10 crores and Bank of Baroda housing loans have processing cost as low as 0.25% of the loan amount. The bank levies no prepayment penalties for home loans with floating interest rates. One of its key benefits is the Bank of Baroda home loans ability to be topped up to 5 times during the loan term. Alright guys, so we have reached the very end of our video. After learning about the best banks to choose from and the best lenders for home loans, consider that not every loan program is suitable for every borrower. Before applying for a home loan in India, you must carefully consider the requirements since each individual or bank has different ones. As a result, you should choose a home loan based on your loan requirements, repayment ability and cash flow. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you want to know more about home loans, there is a detailed course on our app which is a complete guide on how you can finance your dream home. Do check it out. Apart from this, we have multiple courses on personal finance, business and farming on our app. So download Freedom app from the Play Store and get access to more than 1,000 courses. This is Abhinav Sehgal signing off. I shall see you all in the next video.